Welcome to the Hard Reset channel. Today I will show you how to toggle screen locking sound on the AGM H6. So first of all, just open settings, scroll down from the top and scroll down again. Then press the settings button. In the settings, scroll down to the sound and vibration option. Here scroll down again. Scroll down, here is the screen locking sound toggle. By default it's on, you can disable or enable it back from here. So let's see if it works. You can faintly hear a screen locking sound. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the Hard Reset channel for videos, leave a like with a comment, and goodbye.